Fire Extinguisher 101. A safety essential explained. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a critical safety device that you'll find in homes, offices, and public places, the fire extinguisher. Understanding what it is and how it works is not just informative but can be life-saving. So, let's dive in and learn about this crucial safety tool together. A fire extinguisher is a portable device that discharges a substance to extinguish a small fire. It's designed to be a first line of defense, allowing you to respond quickly to a fire before it escalates. Typically, it consists of a cylindrical pressure vessel containing an extinguishing agent, which can be released to put out a fire. Not all fires are the same, and neither are fire extinguishers. They come in various types, each designed to fight different kinds of fires, categorized as Class A, B, C, D, and K. Class A extinguishers are for ordinary combustible materials like wood, paper, and cloth. Class B extinguishers are for flammable liquids like gasoline, oil, or grease. Class C extinguishers are for electrical fires. Class D extinguishers are for flammable metals, often specific to industrial settings. Class K extinguishers are for cooking oils and fats, commonly found in kitchens. Using a fire extinguisher is simple if you remember the acronym PASS. 1. Pull the pin to unlock the operating lever. 2. Aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. 3. Squeeze the lever above the handle to discharge the extinguishing agent. 4. Sweep the nozzle from side to side at the base of the fire until it appears to be out. A fire extinguisher needs regular maintenance to ensure it works when needed. Here are some safety tips. Check regularly that the pressure gauge shows a full charge. Inspect for any signs of physical damage, corrosion, leakage, or a clogged nozzle. Ensure everyone in your home or workplace knows where the extinguishers are located and how to use them. Replace or service an extinguisher immediately if it's used or if you notice any damage. A fire extinguisher is a vital safety tool that everyone should know how to use. By understanding the different types, how they operate, and the maintenance they require, you're better prepared to act in case of a fire. Remember, the best way to fight fires is to prevent them, but if one does occur, a fire extinguisher can be your first line of defense. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.